Hello all users, welcome to FIXUNLOCKER YouTube channel. Today we will show you how to add fund through Binance C2C auto payment, and it will be 0% fees. So you need to follow our video step by step. After select the amount and payment method, click pay now. Okay, now click Binance Pay C2C 0% fees. There you need to scan the QR code and need to add note. I will show you, no problem. Login your Binance account, then click scanner QR code. Scan the QR code. Now select the amount and click add note. Add note. Where you find there add note, look at it. I was right, and click continue, click confirm. Now verify your security. Okay, I have done the payment. Now just need to wait to process it. We now confirmed, done. Now automatic will be at fund. No need to click. If you must need to follow the step by step. If you make any mistake, directly contact our support by WhatsApp. We will help you. Thank you. Thanks for working with us. Have a good day.